Students, welcome to my channel. The name of this channel is Get Understanding. Don't memorize. You don't have to memorize. You always have to get understanding whatever you do. So on this channel, we get understanding. We don't memorize. So if you are really lucky to be here because as you have come here, you are going to get understanding in whatever you want to learn. Today you say goodbye to memorizing things. So as I said, the name is Get Understanding. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and then hit the notification icon so that whenever new videos are uploaded, you'll be notified. So in this video, we are going to look at circle theorem. So first of all, you look at this. What is circle? You know what a circle is. It's a circle. And then what is, have you know what a circle? Let's go on to this. What is a theorem? What is a theorem? So when we say theorem, so theorem is what? A theorem is just a rule. It's just a rule or what? Principle. Principle. Theorem is just a rule or principle. So when we say circle theorem, it means that in circle theorem, we are going to solve questions using rules or principles. And in circle theorem, what we do is that we combine geometry shapes and circle. So for example, if you have a circle, you can have a line from here joining this side. You can have, let's say, a triangle drawn like this. So in circle theorem, these are the things you will be expecting. We have a circle and then we combine geometric shapes with the circle, and then we have to find values of angles in the circle. One thing you should also notice that in circle theorem, all the diagrams are not drawn to scale. What does that mean? It means that you cannot you may see an angle that may seem very small to you, but when you find its value, it will be very big. And then you might also see an angle that might seem bigger or big in your sight, but when you find the value to be very small because it is not drawn to scale. And as a result of that, protractors cannot be used to measure angles. That is why we have the use of the theorems. So we always apply the theorem, use the theorem to find your values. So only the theorems are used to find the value. You have to know that. So as I said, we are going to combine basic geometric shapes with a circle. That's what circle theorem is really about. So let us look at it. So you have to note these basic geometric rules. You have to remember these things. And first one is what? Angle notation. How angle is notated. So if you have this is ABC. So you see that this is the angle is what, so it is read as what? Angle. This sign means is what? Angle ABC. That tells you that the angle is what? At B. That's why this angle is at B. So angle ABC. The same as somebody can also say angle CBA. It's the same as what? The same as angle CBA. But the angle still lies at what? At B. Or we can also write it in this way. AB, and then they put this notation on top of B, telling that this angle ABC, this sign here is indicating that the angle is what? Is at B. Fine. The next thing is angle. You have to I hope you remember this angles on the straight line. So on the straight line, then always the total angle will give you what? 180 degrees. You have to know that. So if you add this angle to this angle, you have to get what? 180 degrees. And angles around a point. So when you have this point, if you move around it, the total angle will be 360 degrees. So here this is what? 180 degrees, and this is what? 360 degrees. You have to know all that. And then angles in a triangle. You also have to know that angles in a triangle add to what? 180. If you add this to this, you get what? 180 degrees. Angles in a triangle add to 180. You also have to know types of triangles and their properties. You have to know types of triangles. In circuit theorem, in fact, you frequently see associated triangles. So what is an associated triangle? Associated triangle is a triangle that has two equal size. So this is an associated triangle because this side is equal to this side. And normally, this when you see this here, this sign here, it means that this indicates that this side, the length, is equal to this length. And then you know that an associated triangle, because this side is equal to this side, then the base angles will always be equal. Also, you have to note that. And then you also have to know types of quadrilateral and their properties. What is a quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is what a four-sided figure. Four-sided figure is what is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is what so it's a four. So for example, rectangle, square, they are all hot. They are all almost kites and all those things. They are all hot. Quadrilateral, parallelogram. They are all quadrilateral. Okay, fine. So that is it. You have to know all these things before you can really understand circle theorem very well. So this is just the basic definition. So in the next video, you look at parts of a circle. But you have to understand part of a circle very well before you can really understand circle theorem. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. As I said, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you. Thank you for watching.